Scott Warren, an Arizona geography teacher, is a volunteer for No More Deaths, a faith-based group working to stop the deaths of migrants in the desert. Border Patrol agents filed 3 felony charges against Warren for helping a pair of Central American migrants who arrived at the organization's doorstep hungry, dehydrated, and with wounds on their feet.
The case could have major implications here in San Diego, where humanitarian groups worry they could be targeted for serving migrants. Dulce Garcia is an immigration attorney with the nonprofit Border Angels. She says volunteers conducting water drops in the desert with the hopes of saving lives could be next.
When we drop water at the desert, Border Patrol is very much present when we're there, photographing our vehicles, photographing our volunteers, and it's all intimidation tactics. And that's what the Scott Warren trial is about. Creating a chilling effect for people that are considering volunteering, for people that are considering donating, because now people are questioning, am I committing a crime by helping, by volunteering?
Garcia says Border Angels staff and volunteers have also been detained and interrogated at the border, along with other activists and journalists.
2 of our staff members from Border Angels are on a government watch list. Not only that, but they have been questioned, interrogated for hours when crossing back into the U.S.
The story raises questions of when helping undocumented border crossers means helping them commit a crime. Garcia says the trial has raised legal questions that she believes have been settled by international law.
The international community is in agreement that we should not be prosecuted. We should not be prosecuted for leaving water. Here, there are other organizations where we are helping our immigrant community, whether they're documented or not. Does that mean that they are harboring undocumented people? The legality of it is in question right now as a result of this trial.
For Garcia, this case hits close to home. In addition to being an immigration attorney, Garcia is a dreamer, an undocumented immigrant whose parents came to the U.S. when she was a child. Garcia says humanitarian activities like water drops are even more crucial since Trump's zero-tolerance policy went into effect. With more troops on the border and heightened Border Patrol presence, migrants have been attempting to cross more treacherous terrain over mountains and through deserts. More than 6,500 migrant deaths have been reported in the desert border region.
I think compassion is something that we all have in common. No matter what our political views are, no matter where we stand on immigration, I think as human beings, we all value human life. We all see that saving a life is important, and it should be without question that we should be allowed to do this kind of work.
As for Scott Warren, his case remains in limbo, with a conference set for July 2nd to discuss how to proceed. Milena Spitzer, KPBS News.